In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the Jobber app effectively and efficiently in just 5 minutes. Whether you're just getting started with Jobber or looking for a quick refresher, I've got you covered. First things first, you'll want to search for Jobber in your preferred browser. This will lead you to their main website, where you can begin your journey with this powerful tool designed for service-based businesses. Once you've found the site, your next step is to log in if you already have an account. If not, you'll need to sign up. Creating an account with Jobber is straightforward, and they guide you through the process. By the end of this, you should be all set to dive into the app's features. Now that you're logged in, take a look at the upper right-hand corner of the dashboard where you'll see a gear icon. This represents your settings. Click on this gear icon, and from there, go to the Marketing section and select Website. This section is where you can start customizing your online presence through Jobber. When you arrive at the website customization page, you'll notice a preview of your site on the left side and a variety of customization options on the right. This setup allows you to see changes in real time, making it easy to tailor your site to match your branding and business needs. Speaking of branding, pay attention to the business profile settings. Here, you can update your logo and customize the PDFs you send out. These documents can include quotes, invoices, and job reports, and by personalizing them, you reinforce your brand's image each time you send them to clients. Next, head over to the Requests section found under Settings. This is where you can customize your request forms. You can tweak the form fields and descriptions to better suit your business, and add a detailed account of your services to inform potential clients about what you offer. If you've enabled online booking, a great feature for boosting business convenience, you'll find options to customize your booking URL. Additionally, you can incorporate UTM tracking, an invaluable tool for monitoring where your leads are coming from, allowing you to fine-tune your marketing strategies. Lastly, don't overlook the Client Hub settings, where you manage the visibility of products, appointments, and requests. This section is crucial for setting up a seamless experience for your clients as they interact with your business online. There you have it, a quick yet thorough walkthrough of using the Jobber app to enhance your business's efficiency and professional image. Thank you for tuning in, and I hope this gives you a great starting point to explore all the features Jobber has to offer. Keep exploring and making the most of this powerful application.